Hello and welcome to another video. Today I want to share with you a business idea that you can start with no upfront cost, with or without prior experience. So today I want us to talk about becoming a social media manager. So who is a social media manager? A social media manager is someone who develops a company's social media strategy and manages their social media channels. If you're the kind of person who likes spending time in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, following trends, then you can make money online doing this. And how do you do that? You do that by becoming the brand to this company, helping them get more clients by placing ads online, and also engaging clients on their behalf, and then you get paid for that. So it's a business model that you can be able to start with zero amount of cash from your pocket. So how do you start a social media management or a social media agency? You can start by, let me first look at the role, what you're expected to do as a social media manager. So your job will be to create ads online, for example, Facebook ads. I'm sure you've seen sponsored ads. You've come across, when you open Messenger, you can see adverts running as you scroll down through your Messenger. You can also see sponsored ads in Instagram, or even free ads, but really people who are aggressive, posting about certain products or companies online in Instagram, or always tweeting. People who are always tweeting and putting in hashtags that are related to a certain product. Most of these people are not the owners of the businesses or companies, but they are working with these businesses and getting paid for bringing them customers and growing their sales. So your role as a social media manager will be to create ads online. You're the person who will be engaging customers. So you will need to have the social language. That is very encouraged. You need to have the social language to be able to engage with clients. You also will be the person who will be advising customers, your customers or these companies that you're working with, on the trends and marketing strategies. So you could be asking, or I could have come across people asking, what qualifications do you need to become a social media influencer, or to open your own social media agency and start doing this kind of business? If you're targeting companies that maybe like corporate companies, they could be asking for some certain qualifications, like a degree in marketing, social media management, PR. But if you start by targeting small businesses, it's highly unlikely for anyone to ask you for this kind of qualifications. I've seen companies now hiring people who have experience in social media management or social media marketing, and they're asking for this kind of qualifications. But really, if you know a few businesses that you've engaged with, they are likely not to ask for this kind of qualifications, as long as you're bringing them business, as long as you're able to portray to them that you can give them or send customers their way, they're likely to give you a chance. So how do you start this business? This is my take. This is a business idea that is new to you. You don't have any experience, you've not done it before, you don't have any customers. So I would suggest that you start by offering free services. So a few businesses that you frequent, for example, a restaurant that you frequent, of a specialist, a practicing doctor, of a microfinance or a circle that is starting, and they need to grow their customer base, of a clothesline store, a beauty shop, any kind of businesses. And for sure, businesses nowadays need to go to e-commerce and start doing online adverts, because that is where business is now. Now, you approach these kind of businesses and tell them this is what you're doing, and this is what you're likely to be charging with time. But since you're starting up, you won't charge them any fee to place adverts for them, or make their businesses known out there online. So just have an agreement with them that they will cater for the advert costs, and you place ads for them online at no extra cost. Now, what happens is that once you place adverts that are successful and they're converting into sales, these people are likely to hire your service. So you can do that for about 3 weeks or even a month for free, and then sit down with them, go through the results, and now place your bill and tell them this. If you want to continue with this service, this is what I'm going to be charging you on a monthly basis. So these people are likely to, of course, give you a recommendation that is going to help you build your profile, and also they're likely to recommend you to other people. Now, that is how you start getting your first paying customers. The other things that you need to consider is that you need to place yourself well in the market. Make yourself visible. Create a community for yourself. Maybe create a Facebook page or group. Make yourself active on Instagram and YouTube. And what happens is that people will start having confidence in you. They will start looking at you as a social influencer, and they'll give you business. The other thing that you need to do is manage your time. Since you're growing different customers, you need to focus on time. Don't waste a lot of time going through things that are not, maybe adding value or, putting money in your pocket. Focus on growing your customers. Focus on placing ads that are converting for your customers. You also need to know how to manage your money, and this is where the question of how much do I charge as a social media manager comes in. Well, the charges may vary depending with the clients, depending with the place you're at, your location or your target clients. So really, you may not charge the same. And of course, when you're starting, you don't charge very high. You start small, and as your customers grow and as you grow your experience, then you start to charge more and more. The other thing that is very important is that you need to keep advancing your skills. There are tools out there that you can use to help you in this kind of strategy marketing. You need to have knowledge on Facebook ads, hashtag marketing, video, using hashtag and description in YouTube videos. You need to learn about SEO, the search engine optimization, because you're likely to be placing content in your customers' blog or websites, and of course you need to do great content for them to start ranking in Google. I've done an article on the same in my blog. I'll leave a link below this video. You can check it out for comprehensive training and information on this. There's also a lot of training online. You can search in YouTube or even in Google. There's a lot of training on this, on how practically how to place Facebook adverts, how to place Instagram adverts for yourself and for your clients. This is a business that you can do from anywhere as long as you're able to access internet. You can work from your phone, you can work from your computer and make money, spending time on social media. I hope this video has been of value to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.